Guys, it's a beautiful Friday morning and I'm using this Druid Craft tarot deck to pull out our messages on this weekend. So let's see what the cards and the angels have to tell us. Spirit guides, spirit masters, please guide us to know what is the message for each one watching this. The first card is that of a fool, the card that starts from zero. You know, the major arcanas of tarot all start from zero. So, this is the first card of those major arcana deck that we have. And in life, also, everything starts from scratch, right? Starts from zero. It's like the seed. This zero card is that of the seed card. From here the journey of this young fool starts, and then he grows to become whatever he does, just like how we grow in life. We start from zero. It's like we starting from nursery and then going into the junior kg, senior kg, and so on and so forth. And then becoming what we have become in life today, gathering all the lessons through the journey of life. So this is what the fool's card stands for. Is the very first card of the major arcana, as I said. And the message through this card, if you see, it's a young guy who has all the nature elements with him, which means that there are spirit guides, spirit masters always giving us helping hand, being with us. That's how this nature represents. And then there is a pet with him who is also ready to take the same leap of faith that he is taking. So you are always given someone, for us, guardian angels, spirit guides, to say that okay, you take the jump and I'm jumping with you, so you're not alone and I will be there with you. He is taking this leap of faith, and this is the message of the card, to take the leap of faith. For many of us who probably are in a situation where we don't know what we need to do, whether it is right for us to take that next step, whether it's okay to change our job, to go for something that we have never done, to change the city, to change the place, to do something that we have never done. So this card is telling us it's fine, it is all right. Take the leap of faith. The universe has your back, and God's arms will always hold you. Even if you jump, you don't know whether you'll fall or you will fly. So that is what this card stands for. So have faith. Know that whatever is happening right now in your life, whatever that you are creating, is being helped by the spirit guides and spirit world, and it is only for your highest good. So whatever those decisions are that you have been so far scared to take, and fear is stopping you from taking it, the fool's card is saying just go ahead and jump. Take that step and you will fly. You never know what is next for you. It is just that little faith in the universe, and it will help you to fly. So guys, whatever it is, go ahead, take that call, take that job, take that offer, take up that relationship, mend your ways, and you shall fly. For sure you shall fly. Let's pull one more card to see what's that beautiful justice card. See how the story links. Whatever it is that you're thinking has not happened for your better, know that universe is taking care of it, and very wisely. There is a power animal of the owl, the spirit animal, which represents wisdom, which represents also good luck, represents Mahalakshmi in according to the Hindu mythology. And it says that monies will come, abundance is right there, sitting right at your doorstep. This is the card of authority. It also is the card of justice being done. The universe has the scale balanced for you, so do not worry. If things haven't gone your way, know that you will get your justice. If you think that you have worked and you haven't got your pay, if you have done something where people owe you monies and people haven't given it to you yet, or you haven't been rewarded as you think it would have been fair for all that you have done, And this card is an assurance card that it shall be done. Justice shall come to you. Universe knows what is due to you, and you will get, even if not right away, you will get it. So this is that balancing card. Also, it's given you the as the sword represents. It's telling you, cut the cords, whatever it is, the cords of fear, the cords of, oh, I've lost this money. No, know that, or whatever it is, even in a legal situation, maybe there is a court case going on, or any such legalities that you are in right now in that situation. This card is saying that you will get justice shall prevail. So be very, very rest assured that it is coming your way. The universe knows what is better for you. And the last card is the guidance card that I'm pulling out from the messages from your angels. And let's see what is the guidance for us. And this card is, it's a Serena's card. It is again the card of abundance. It is about the angel of abundance. And look at what the beautiful messages. Can you see the glow on her face? Can you see that golden light? It always reminds me of abundance coming your way. So Serena's card says, I am the angel of abundance. You will receive the money that you need, and God is in charge of how that will happen to you. Have faith. See, again, the Fool's card is that to take leap. Let me just pull this card up. The Fool's card says, take that leap of faith. Know that the universe has your back. Know that justice shall prevail. Everything that is due to you is going to come. Don't have to worry. Be patient. Have that faith. And the Serena, the guidance angel of abundance, is saying, I'm with you. God will take care. Don't worry. Have faith. It's all coming to you, guys. It's a beautiful reading. It's a lovely way for the weekend. So go ahead and have fun. Stay magical. Stay lovely. Stay blessed.